Hello viewer, we will use the shapes here. Let's make a structure. Again, we have to take a design. I will take another shape. So there is the other structure. Make the changes around it. Add a paint for it. Use an eraser tool. We have to find the different structure using the eraser tool here. Make the changes.